Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video about is disappeared into the web. In this video, we can learn about how to be anonymous into the web. So here are the 4 techniques which we use to disappear into the web. The first technique, which name is Anonsurf. In this technique, we can change our address or physical address, public address, so no one can get access of our location. The second technique, which name is Macchanger. Macchanger, we can change the MAC address of our devices. The MAC is called manufacturer address of devices. The third technique which we use, his name is UserAgent. When you know anybody click a link of any link, show the other person, the other browser, extract the information, which browser they are using, which Windows operating system they are using, which version is it, so and much more. So this is where we can change that information which I want to give. And the last one is the time zone. No one cared about the time zone, but the time zone is very important information. So if anyone get the time zone information, they know where you come from. So be the part of Anonymous. You need to care about the time zone. So let's get started the practical part.
So in this video, first we discuss about the first technique, which name is Anonsurf. So let me show you how it's work, how we can use this. And so here is the repository of the GitHub repository of Anonsurf. This is the link of the Anonsurf repository. So it is given by the Untraceable. So now how we can use this? Here is the uses commands: Anonsurf, start, stop, restart, change, and status. So here is the commands to install this on your Kali Linux. So what I'm to do, I'm copy this link and open the terminal and git clone and paste the link. Now it is installed. So now it's downloaded. So now I'm trying to install it. Is install sh the /install sh. So now it's installing on my Kali OS. So wait for a second. Now it's completely installed in my Kali OS. So I'm going to go to the directory. First I'm install this Anonsurf -- help. This way I can check is properly installed or not, and also check the uses, how we can use this. So first clear the screen. Then I check my right now IP address, the physical address, my IP. So this information the Anonsurf get from the ipinfo.io. Let me show you. I'm based in Islamabad. This is my location. This is my postal address. So in the words, my IP address, as you see, the ISP provider region and the DNS leak as well. So what I'm to do right now, I'm just trying to start this command, Anonsurf start. When I start it, so that's starting and it's done. So now I'm just checking the status is active or not. Is active right now. As you see, is active or exist. So now I'm just checking it's work or not, and I'm just reload this page. Yeah, as you see, the region is England and United Kingdom. The ISP provider is the party, and the DNS leak as well. Let me reload. Yeah, he's showing the Germany. He's changed as the toll connection, changing the DNS address. So now it's properly working. So the next part is what I'm to do. In this way we can change the addresses. So I'm just trying to show you the next part. What I'm to do is called the Macchanger. So first I'm change, let me show you this command is already exists as you see. So in this way we can check the usage of this Macchanger. So in this command is we can add this random MAC address and show the bind another MAC address which I want to given. So right now I'm just check what is my IP, what is my ifconfig, what is my MAC address. There is my MAC address. So what I'm to do, I'm just Macchanger minus S and ETH0. This way they show me my current MAC address or permanent MAC address. So now I'm trying to change the MAC address, Macchanger minus R ETH0. So now as you see that my new MAC address has been assigned. My MAC address has been changed. New has been DE something. And I start this command, I check this. My MAC address has been changed. This way we can change our MAC address to perform any anonymous activity which I cannot be trackable. So, and the third technique, which name is UserAgent. In this technique, we can remove our footprint. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. So, here is the website where you can test our browser. So, I tested. They take the time. So, wait for the result. So now it's complete yet. Okay, so this all information is given below. First we check the user agent information. They'll give the information we use of Mozilla with version, and also give the Linux OS, like we're using the Linux OS 64 bits, 36 bit, 86 bit, and also give the Firefox information, like I'm using the Firefox. Okay, and also they get the time zone information, and also got more information and hashes, or they also got the language, my platform information, okay, and much more. They got my maximum information. Okay, when you click the link of any link, so your most of information has been get to the server. Here is the extension is user agent switch. We can add this extension to hide our user agent. So now I can add this extension to our Firefox. So extension has been added. So I just open this extension. The extension has been opened. Now they have a lot of options there. We can set as our choice is Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, or Windows and Opera. I want to set the Opera and I want to choose in the window Microsoft OS as they listed on lots of it's free FSD, IBM and Linux, Apple, but I want to choose Microsoft OS. So I want to select and click and tick the link, press the link, and the all has been set. So I'm just before I close the window, I want to just set it, retest the browser. In the below section, retest your browser options. Yeah, so I retest our browser. So now I'm check what the IP address is. Now let me check. Okay, so now I got it. So now we can look it out. What what are the result. I set it before as of a choice. So let me see what show me this side. So as you see in the user agent session, there is right below, like we are using the Windows NT, which I set it. Okay, they also show me which browser I set it. I want to set the Chrome, Microsoft Chrome, I set it. They also show me, and the below session, okay, they also show me the time zone, which I set it. Okay, which already set it. So that's the way we can change the addresses, we can change the user agent information which I want to change. This way you can remove the footprints. And the last technique is time date. It's very important information I said to you before. So first we run this command to check what we do with the time and date. So there is a list. We can list the time zone which we have been. So there is the counties which I want to set the time. So I listed the time zone. So first I'm just check how do I set this. So this is the time America, New York has been set. So now I want to set Asia, almost 6, and now I want to first check how do I set it. Here is the command. So here's in there have been show is time date CTL is set minus time zone, and now I'm paste which I copied Asia Tom 6. So now the timer has been set. In this way we can change the time zone. So now we can fully untrackable or anonymous. So this way no one can track me and get me what my activity, what I'm doing. You can also check in their browser this working or not yet. You can reload this and retest this. What the time zone in this side I set in the Asia as you see. So let me test here. Okay, so as you see is the same which I set it. So it's completely work. So this way you can do it. Be safe and be smart.